What's it gonna take? Oh, baby, what's it gonna take? No more use in fooling around. We don't run this thing into the ground. Now leave me, if that's what your heart wants to do. I can't do the deed. No, I can't do the deed. It was over a long time ago, but I just can't tell you to go. Now leave me, if that's what your heart wants to do. If I see you walking down the street, I may have to cross on over in case our eyes might meet. One of us might have to leave this town. That's the way it is when love is done. Ain't no use to stick around. Separate ways. Oh, on our separate ways. Don't even try to beg me to stay. We both know it's better this way. Now leave me, if that's what your heart wants to do. Oh, leave me, if that's what your heart wants to do. sin, a lifetime of lies.
tracks uncovered. You better change some things, or some things are gonna change. Do you ever get the notion? Cause you're just going through the motions. Do you ever get the notion that you're just going round again? Modesty dies the minute we're born. You learn to swear before you can talk. Every fool that prays on honor and faith knows deep inside that the game is lost. The years we wasted, the tears we tasted, tattooed our lovers' names on our skin. Be your own messiah in this mortal coil world. Our halo wings, horns and a tail. You better change some things, or some things are gonna change. Do you ever get the notion? Cause you're just going through the motions. Do you ever get the notion that you're just going round again? Do you ever get the notion? Cause you're just going through the motions. Do you ever get the notion that you're just going round again? Threw in my money and made a wish for my own independence. So run on home before it's dark. Pull out the arrows from your bleeding heart. Threw in my money and made a wish for my own independence. So run on home before it's dark. Pull out the arrows from your bleeding heart.